Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and in today's video I'm going to show you how can you prevent a user to make any account record inactive if that account record has associated active contact record. For example, let's open any record like this one. So here we can see it has three contact record associated with it, and if a user wants to deactivate it, so we need to stop him by showing this business process error that cannot deactivate this account because there are active contacts associated with it. So how can we achieve it? I'm going to show you in this video. For that, let us start from the scratch. This is my Dynamic 365 CRM and we are in Sales Hub application. And right now we are at my account table. So let's open an account like this one. So here we can see that it has three associated contact with it. And if I want to deactivate it, so it's asking me. So now as we can see that this account has been deactivated, although it has three associated contact. If we open it, so here we can see that these aren't inactive contacts. So what I want that if an account record which has active contact associated with it, the user cannot deactivate it. So how can we achieve it? I'm going to show you in this video. For that, I'm going to write down a plugin which will be a pre-validation plugin. So open our Visual Studio, click on create a new project, class library .NET framework, click on next, give it a name, account deactivation plugin, select the framework, click on create. Now first we will install NuGet packages. Right click here, click on manage NuGet packages, browse. We need core assemblies, this one, click on install, I accept. Go back to your class one. Now we will rename it. Click here, yes. And here we are going to write down code to get the plugin execution context. Now we get the service factory to create the organization service. Now create the service to interact with Dynamic 365 using the current user's permissions. Now we check if this is an update operation and the target parameters exist and is of type entity. Now we get the target entity. Now we will ensure the entity being updated is an account. Now we check if state code is being updated and set it to inactive. Now we get the ID of account being updated. Now we create a query to find active contacts related to this account. Now we retrieve only the contact ID. Now filter the contacts where parent's customer ID matches the account ID. Logical name of parent customer ID. You have to be more watchful writing down the logical names. Now filter for active contacts, which is equal to 0. 0 means active. Now we execute the query to retrieve related active contacts. Now if there are active contacts, throw an exception. And now we check why these errors are coming. So the first, so here we can see that we have written. Now it's fine. So just only we didn't use I was missing here. That is why these error were coming, and we don't need this. We could also delete it. And now we have to sign it. Right click here, go to properties, click on signing, sign the assembly, new, give it name like and we don't want production right now. Click on OK, and then we have to build it. Building has started, no issue found. This is the path. Open your plugin registration tool. Click on create new connection. Display list of available organizations. I want to do this on this environment. Click on login. Now go to register new assembly here for that path. This one. So here our file. Click on open. Register selected plugin. Assembly has been registered. Right click here, click on register new step. Message would be update. Primary entity would be account. That's a pre-validation, synchronize. Everything is looking fine. Click on register new step. Step has been registered. Now we'll check our plugin. So now this record has been activated. Go back. Go to active accounts records. Open this one. Try to deactivate it. So we are having some error. Let's. So here we are getting error and unexpected error. So we have to make some changes to our code. Go back to our Visual Studio, and here we can see maybe this line causing an error because it's I'm taking integer value and it's an option set state code. So let's change this. Is option set value. Now we have to rebuild it and update our code. Now one assembly is updated. Now check it again. Try to deactivate it. So now confirm deactivation. Now we can see a business process error cannot deactivate this account because there are active contacts associated with it. So our plugin is working fine, and I will provide the code link inside the description. Hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe and do comments. Thank you.